will get an adventure children.
A little basket in front of your motorbike, you put a child in there.
Adventure family.
Like the story about Adventure Family Johnson or something like that. They went on a boat and then they ended up in an island. Yeah, the adventure. So what's your name?
My name is probably you can call me my nickname Mr. Hananan. Yeah. This is what I label myself. But my real name is Amru.
It sounds like a good title. The Adventure of Mr. Banana.
Hananan.
Mr. Hananan's Adventure.
I mean, it's something like funny, but take the Chinese.
Hananan.
Yes. Yeah.
Say again, your name, Amru.
Yes, my real name is Amru. The full name is Amrullah. Yes. Beautiful name. Thank you. You have what a beautiful name too, Mr. Emil.
Okay, now.
Thanks.
Your turn, brother. The man with the puppy orange. Let's continue, brother.
Vacation, like the experience. Actually, I've been. I never go back to my village because I stay in Aceh. Well, talking about vacation, I never go.
You never go on vacation?
Never go very often. Actually, I never go somewhere. I kind of man, who stay only in Banace. Yeah, my village. Only that's it.
Right. You're not an adventurous person.
Yeah, but yeah, because that time, I was invited by my friend to go somewhere, like to Padang and Medan. Because this time I got like accident, hurt my leg, I hurt my leg because I dropped something when I want to go to city at that time. My parents never allow me to go so far away, so that's why I never go like outside in Aceh anymore. Only Aceh and my village. That's it. I never go to Sabang. Only one time. Really?
How poor you are?
That's
For you. Say somebody.
that's embarrassing, isn't it?
I thought that you were like a guy that liked to go here, go there. You wanted to be the governor of Banda
Yeah, but I make a friend with big people and many people, even though I never go outside the Aceh. But I'm going to go so far away
Have
someday.
you had planning to move or just make adventure to another?
Yeah, actually, someday I really want to go on Aceh and don't want to stay in Aceh anymore because many people want to stay in Aceh the rest of their life. Maybe I could just move to out from Aceh. Could be from Jakarta or Bandung or anything like that. Try something else. Why not? Because we live in this world only one time.
Yeah.